Right, so I'm back at the next join, so I can actually tighten the purple magic ring. Just try and tighten that up a little bit. So that's the first end to sew in, so it's only going to be one at the beginning and then one at the end, so you only have 2 instead of 6. Okay, so now we're at the end of the second round, so I would normally join the top so I can see how much it would need. So that would be the first square normally. Then I would take it back down. See, this would be needing to be sewn in. I feel like doing it again. I took it out from earlier on, but it feels like there's extra from before. But anyway, so I've pulled it again to the closest it can be, and then I will undo it a little bit, and then we'll get the green thread still on my lap from earlier. Find the end of the green thread, so we've got the end, so that would, so this is your so this is your piece, this is your new thread, so that would join this way. So let's put it on the black so you can see. So it's easier to lay it down in the direction that you want it to be. So this is the new end to tie. This is where I pulled it from the actual granny square round. So I keep hold of this. I tie the new colour in. So this is me now doing the magic knot. One side. It's so hard to do. Maybe I should do this end first. Let me do the blue end first actually, so then I can loosen it. So I like to do it the direction, in this direction. So this is the blue end. Let's tie it round. So much left over. It's quite amazing. Okay, so it's okay, and then we'll turn it back to do the green side. So much better because then I can actually let go of the blue now. So to do the knot, I lay it down. I bring the green under the blue and then tie it on top. Now if I keep it as close to the edge, then I'm not wasting so much of the green. So I'm only wasting this little piece here. Hold on to the blue, hold on to the green on this side, and then pull it. Okay, so now that's a really close join, tight join, and then we cut off the loose ends as close as possible without cutting the knot, of course. And then the blue side. Okay, so now where's my crochet hook? Okay, and then we redo that last 3 double crochets. If you can cover the knot, even better, but for some reason I think the first round is always the hardest to cover or to hide. Anyway, so double crochet number 2, double crochet number 3, 2 chains, and you can see we have the new colour coming through, and then we just join to the top of this where we started the square with a slip knot. I always say slip knot, slip stitch. Okay, so if I had more blue, then I would do slip stitches to get to this space. But because there's no, I did a pretty good job this time round, so I'm just going to join the green back in this corner here. Try and hold on to that knot. Okay. And then do my 3 chains to start this corner. Okay, so I'm going to finish off the other rounds. And so this video is not too long for you. I'm going to finish off the rounds and get to a point where you can see that now I only have 2 ends to weave in. All right, I'll be back.